Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to understand how to send bulk emails exclusive discounts automatically using Gmail for Razorpay payments. For that, we are going to connect our Razorpay to the Gmail, and that will be done with the help of automation software named as Pabbly Connect, where whenever any new payment can be done through your Razorpay, then automatically one mail will be sent to your user's Gmail account. So now to see the working of this amazing automation and learn the process step by step, let me all take you to my screen. Welcome to my screen everyone. So before starting the video of doing an automation where we can connect our Razorpay to the Gmail, as whenever any new payment can be done through your Razorpay account, then automatically one mail will be sent to your user's Gmail account, which provide them the discount coupons and the details. But before that, now I'll give you a quick review about how this automation will work and how this automation will be used in real time. For that, I'm going to purchase this Natural Glow Skincare Face Toner. You can see for purchasing this, it will ask me to enter the details. While the first name I'm giving is test, last name is user, email address is patm@pabblytunes.com, one test contact number, address, city, state, and the pin code. After that, in this product name, I'm going to select as face toner. After that, I'm going to click on this pay button. Here I'm going to do one test payment. You can see my payment is done successfully. Now I am going to check my Gmail account as I have received one mail or not. You can see I have received one mail instantly where subject is that exclusive discount just for you. Thank you for your payment. You can see I have received the mail immediately, and it will also include my name that I have given as test user while doing the transaction. Also provided me the coupon code, offer valid date, and one sample link. Here I have done this as a test. So if you want to do this amazing automation where whenever any new successful payment can be done through your Razorpay, then automatically one mail will be sent to your user's Gmail account, which includes the discount coupon and the links. Then you have to follow step-by-step instructions that I am giving you in this video. So let's get started. At first, you have to click on a new tab and search pabbly.com/connect. So here you are on the official page of Pabbly Connect. Pabbly Connect is an online all-in-one automation tool that's help you to automate and integrate multiple applications without requiring any coding or programming skills. Now I'll give you a quick review about Pabbly Community. So this right over here is Pabbly Community, where automation users, business owners, and marketers connect. When you are stuck anywhere while using the Pabbly, then you can share your doubts here, and the people who are facing similar problem just like you or even the Pabbly team members will help you out. So if you want to join this amazing community, then I'll provide the link of this community in the description box. You can check out. Now we will get back to the landing page of Pabbly Connect. Here on the right hand side, you can see two options are there. The one is sign in and another is sign up free option. If you are a new user, then you can click on sign up free option and get 100 free tasks to explore the software. If you are an existing user, then you can click on sign in option. Since I am an existing user, so I am clicking on this sign in option. Here you can see these are the all apps that Pabbly provide to their users, as we are doing an automation, and that will done with the help of Pabbly Connect. So I am going in this Pabbly Connect box by clicking access now button. So this is right over here is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, where you can create and manage all of your automation workflows in one place, where you can see your task allotted, your task consumed, your task remaining, and the free task consumed. And in this folder section, you can create multiple folders into your Pabbly Connect account by clicking on this plus option, where you have to provide the folder name in this field and also select the parent folder from here. After that, as we are creating a new workflow, so I'm going to click on this plus create workflow button. When you click on it, it will ask you to select the workflow builder while providing you two, that is new beta and the classic version. It is modern, faster, and more flexible, while the another one is for stable and familiar approach. I am creating this workflow with the help of this new beta version, so I am selecting this. You can see it will ask me to share the workflow name, so I am sharing my workflow name as send bulk email exclusive discounts automatically using Gmail for Razorpay payments. After that, I select the parent folder as Pabbly Connect. I already created this folder before. After that, I'm going to click on this create button. Here you can see our workflow is created successfully. Now this is right over here is the most important step of doing any automation, that is trigger. Trigger says when this happens. So for starting the creation of your workflow, at first you have to select your trigger application. When you click on it, here you can see it will ask you to choose the app. So here I am setting my trigger application as Razorpay. So I am searching it. Here I selected. After that, the app event I select as payment captured. After that, I'm going to click on this connect button. Here you can see it will provide you one webhook URL. Also the steps below that how you can connect your Razorpay account to your Pabbly Connect. So now I am going to the home page of my Razorpay account. So this right over there is the dashboard of Razorpay, and for connecting my Pabbly Connect account to the Razorpay, I'm going to click on this account and settings option, where you can see one option is there, that is the webhooks. Here I'm clicking on it. So this is the interface where you can add your webhook by clicking on this plus add new webhook button. Here you can see it will ask you to paste the webhook URL. So I am copying this webhook URL from here and paste this URL in this field. Here I paste it. After that you have to write the secret key in this. It is an optional, so I am leaving this blank. Then in the next you have to select the active events, as clearly mentioned in the below tab that you have to select the active event as payment captured. So I am simply copying this and searching this in it. Here you can see I have got this payment captured, so I am selecting this. After that I'm going to click on this create webhook button. Here you can see webhook saved successfully. Now here you can see it is waiting for a webhook response. So for getting the webhook response, at first we have to make a test payment. For that I'm again going to my Razorpay account, where I'm going in this payment pages option. These are the all products that I added before. After that I want to purchase this natural glow face toner. For that I am copying this and opening it in a new tab. Here you can see, so this is the payment page of purchasing this toner, where I am going to enter all the test details in the fields. Here I added. After that the product name I select as face toner. After that I'm going to click on this pay button. Here you can see it will again ask me to do the payment. For that I'm again selecting this UPI and doing one test payment. Here it is processing. We have to wait for a few seconds. See, our payment is done successfully. Now we will check our flow. See, here we have got the response 1 second ago. That means our Pabbly Connect is successfully connected to our Razorpay. After that, in the next application, I'm going to take the Gmail, as whenever any successful payment can be done through my Razorpay account, then automatically one mail will be sent to my user's Gmail account. For that, I'm clicking on it. Here I'm going to search my action application as Gmail. Here I selected. After that the app event I select as send email, and I'm going to click on this connect button. Here you can see it will provide you two options, that is add new connection and select existing connection. If you won't have any existing connection, then you can click on this add new connection and sign in with Google. Here I'm going to do a new connection, so I'm clicking on this sign in with Google. You can see it will ask me to provide the permission. For that I'm clicking on this continue button. See, my Gmail account is successfully connected to my Pabbly Connect. After that, in the sender name field, I am going to enter the sender name, that is Bright Shop PVT Ltd. After that, it will automatically select the sender email address here, that as soon as I connect my Gmail account, then it will automatically extract my Gmail account in this field. So you can enable this toggle for doing the mapping. Mapping is the most important step of doing any automation, as it makes data dynamic and get you rid out of the problem of entering the manual data of your user, as different users have different data. So for storing their dynamic data, mapping is used. Now in this recipient email address, I'm going to map the response that I have received from my previous applications, that is the Razorpay. Here I'm searching the email address. Here I mapped. After that, for the next, CC and BCC are not required field, so I am leaving this blank. This one is also, and directly entering the email subject in this field. Here I added, that is exclusive discount just for you, thank you for your payment. After that you have to write the email content in this email content field. Here I am adding the email content. Here I added. After that, now I want to map some data in this content, that I want that whenever this mail will be sent to my user's Gmail account, then my bot will also mention their name in it. For that after the hi, I am going to map my user's name. Here I am searching the response, that is the first name they provide as test. After that I am mapping the last name also. Here I mapped. And now in the next you have to select the email content type, that I select as HTML, as I created this content in the form of HTML. You can also create your HTML content by clicking on this link below, and here also mention a complete tutorial of how you can create your HTML email. After that, the next one is the labels, that I select as inbox. After that, if you want to attach any file with your mail, then you can write the name of the file here and also attach the URL in this field. Now after that, I'm going to click on the save and send test request button. Here you can see we have got the positive response. Now we will check our mail account. See, we have received a new mail, that is the exclusive discount just for you, thank you for your payment. You can see the bot will mention my name that I have given as test user, as it will come 0 minutes ago, one which also includes the discount coupon and one test link. Here I have done this as a test. You can create and modify your mail completely based on your choice. Now we will get back to our flow. Here this step is also completed. Now this is the flow that we have created for sending the exclusive exclusive discount mails to individual users. Whenever any new payment can be done through a Razorpay, then automatically the payment will captured and sends the mail to the user's Gmail account. If you face any difficulties on the creation of this workflow, then feel free to ask us in the comment section. You can also share this workflow with your friends by clicking on this three dots and click on this share option. Here you can see it will provide you a share link that you have to copy from here and share this link with anyone. I also provide the link of this workflow in the description box. You can check out. This automation is done without requiring any coding or programming skills. It is only possible with the help of automation software named as Pabbly Connect.
So thank you for watching this video. Not only this, you can do multiple integration of many applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. If you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, then you can text us at forum.pabbly.com. If you want to know the price details about Pabbly Connect, then you can visit www.pabbly.com/connect #pricing. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe our YouTube channel.